away from me. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want you to leave me, baby. The audience love it truly. So let me move right along to the judges. Judges, what do you say about truly? I'm gonna understand how nobody not dash no money on the stage. It's like no money at all. Look how the woman dress up nice. This dress no cost under $8,000. Money pull up, man. You don't do better, man. Okay, judges.
I have to say, truly, you were amazing. Despite the whole mic issue and it cut out, you just hold your own and you do your thing. You know, Mr. Ketch, trust me, I am truly impressed and I give you a 9. Beautiful, and I love the song. I love it. Keep it up. You have a second one coming, right? Great. Let her use this mic next time.
Alright, so let me hammer, please. Alright, the hammer then. Performance.
Ping.
Confident. Stage presence. Voice. 10 for me. No more. 10 for me.
Yeah. Bing! But now lie. What a let me tell you, you see this show? Me do the 100% talent show, the first leg. But you see the second leg, awesome. I may ask you to go and see him we and believe in yourself, see him we and do it. You know, we love the performance. We give you a 9. Bing!
And since I'll be giving votes for Master Bros tonight, looking so beautiful, performing so energetic, it is a big 10 from me. Truly. Got with a 10.